Alright guys, so good evening, and here is your boy Emmanuel Khan. In today's video I want to quickly show us we use the SNRO on the weekly and the daily. Okay, just somebody asked that in soft school of trading. So let me quickly answer that. Alright, firstly let me delete all the stuff I have here. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your weekly and zoom in and draw your resistance and support zones. Let me color this. I like using color for alright. So this is the weekly resistance. That's the resistance zone. Another resistance. This is going to be another resistance. As you can see, price has touched this point once, twice, thrice, 4 times. It's coming here again, so we expect it to buy again once it gets there. Okay, these are cool for now. So let's get to. So this is the weekly uh, key support. What we call key support and resistance zones are majorly the weekly and dailies. Okay, so if price gets to a key support or a key resistance, which is the weekly or daily, we expect there to be a bounce. All right, this is not selecting a candle. This is an overview, the broader overview, taking your support and resistance on your weekly. Very, very key. Very, very key. Well, I'll talk more about that when we get into the trading room. The next thing you want to do is to come to your daily time frame. All right, you're still zoom in, so you're going to draw your key resistance on daily. I'll change the color to red. I like using red for my daily. Done. Change the color to red. So where can you see a resistance? Very obvious. If you have to stretch yourself to look for it, then it's not a resistance. Okay, a resistance to support should be very, very clear and obvious. Another area is this zone. Okay, there's another zone. Then I see one here too. I see one here. So these are key areas, all right, of your. As you can see, I'm buying here because price is testing the weekly support, so I'm buying at that zone. All right, this is your daily time frame. If you zoom out, you will discover that this is the daily candle, yesterday's candle. So let's draw our horizontal. I'll make this black for yesterday's candle, low and high. So this is the low of yesterday's candle. Let's get the high, and this is going to be the high. This is going to be the high of yesterday's candle. Okay, so let's see what happened when price got to. Of course, you have seen here that price broke the low of yesterday's candle. Okay, the candle broke the low of yesterday's candle. All right, so let's see what happens. Go to 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour, you'll discover that this was the high of yesterday's candle, and this was right broke the low and began to trade lower until it got to the weekly support area. Can you see that? So this is where we use the daily candle high and low. All right, remember that the red zones, the red lines, represent your daily support and resistance zones. These red lines. So each time price gets there, you always expect a reaction. But then intraday trading within the day, within 24 hours, all right, we use the daily close and the daily high and low of previous candle. So you see that once price broke it, price began to trade lower. Let's check the hourly and see what happened there. On the hourly, you see that this was the highest point. This pin bar here gave us the signal to sell. It was the highest point of yesterday's candle. Price couldn't break it, and when price got to the lowest point, which is the support region, it broke it here. As soon as it broke it, you know that it's time to sell, until price got to the weekly zone where we began to see a reversal. Hope this is clear. So this is how we use the daily. We first draw our key zones on the weekly, draw our key zones on the daily. For trading daily activities, we draw our high and low of each day's candle and watch what price does. When price goes gets to that point, if price breaks above it, then we have a very high tendency the price is going to keep trading above it. Then if price should break below it, we have every tendency the price is going to keep trading below it until it gets to the next support or the next resistance. I hope this is clear. All right, for further questions, make sure you chat me up to ask the questions. I remain Emmanuel Khan. Have a wonderful time.